In this video, I will show you how to start or stop exercise mode on Galaxy devices. This exercise mode will help you stay focused on your workout and limit distractions from your phone. To enable this feature, just follow these steps. Go to your settings, tap on modes and routines, then click on exercise. Click on start. You can skip this part. Now in here, enable this do not disturb. What it does is that it will mute all calls, notifications, and other alerts on your phone. If you are waiting for an important calls or text from someone, you could exclude those people by tapping this option and add them to still allow calls or texts during do not disturb mode. Same thing with app, you can still receive notifications from the apps that you add in here. After that, click next. While you are on exercise mode, you can play music automatically by tapping this button and select your music player of your choice. You can adjust also the media and sound volume from here. After that, click Done. You can now turn on the exercise mode by clicking this button, and it will automatically turn on the Not Disturb mode, also play music right away. Now to turn it off, just go back to settings, click Modes and Routines, Exercise, then click Turn Off. It will turn off the Do Not Disturb and stop the music right away. I hope this is helpful. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.